Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix if your iPhone is buzzing when charger is connected. But first subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Does your iPhone keeps buzzing whenever you plug the charger into the device? Well, it is completely normal, but for a handful of users it can be a bit distracting. So we have decided to find a solution that can help you mute this buzzing sound. So for the first fix, I'll tell you how to disable the system haptics option. Your iPhone does vibrate slightly when you plug it in the charging point. It works irrespective of the charging point that you are using. To disable the haptics option, you need to open the settings page. Next, go to the sounds and haptics option. In the sounds and haptics page, scroll all the way to the bottom and disable the system haptics option in there. And you're done. After disabling iPhone system haptics, your phone will stop buzzing. You can check this out right away by plugging the device to charge, but you'll still get the notification of the device getting charged. I hope this video helped you fix iPhone buzzing when charger is connected. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.